In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to Reddit stories. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the homepage, sign in if you need to, and you will land on the main dashboard. This dashboard is where all of your notebooks live, and it is also where you will create a fresh workspace for organizing Reddit story content. Next, create a new notebook by clicking the button that says +Create New. This sets up a clean project where you can collect sources, ask questions, and generate outputs, all in one place. It helps to give your notebook a clear name related to the type of Reddit stories you are working on, so you can find it quickly later. After that, upload your sources. In the pop-up window, you can choose from several types of material, such as PDF files, YouTube links, or files from your cloud drive. Once you add them, they will appear in the source panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is important because it shows exactly what Notebooklm is allowed to reference. For best results, keep your sources focused and relevant to the stories you want to build, and avoid mixing unrelated topics in the same notebook. Now move to the chat panel in the center and begin analyzing. Type a specific question or prompt, and Notebooklm will respond using your sources with clickable citations. Those citations matter because they let you verify where each detail came from. For Reddit stories, ask for things like a clear summary, a list of key plot points, the main conflict, the timeline of events, or a suggested narration that stays faithful to the source. You can continue refining by asking follow-up questions, especially if you want a tighter structure or a certain tone. When you are ready to create something you can use immediately, go to the Studio panel on the right. Choose Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate instant outputs based on your content. This is useful for quickly turning a story into a narrated-style overview or a presentation-ready format. Finally, whenever you get an answer you want to keep, click Save to Note. This helps you collect the best summaries, outlines, and drafts in one place for easy reuse. That covers everything you need to know.